Bitcoin has skyrocketed and hit all-time high. Our alts are pumping like crazy. OKB is up over 126% just for the day. We have arbitrage that's up almost 17%. We have ADA that's up almost 15%. So should you be looking to potentially buy some of these crypto projects so you don't miss out on this massive pump? Absolutely not, because we have to realize all-time high means every single person on the planet Earth that has ever invested in Bitcoin is currently in the profit. So if you are buying now, it is strictly FOMO. During all-time high, it is the worst time to be buying any crypto project. And you might not like what I'm going to say, but this is the time where you look to take profit, because all your hard work is only worth it when you actually sell to take profit for all your diligence. Does that mean that the bull market is over and prices are going to crash and it's the beginning of the bear market? Absolutely not. But look at the historical performance of Bitcoin. This was the last Bitcoin previous bull market all-time high, which was on Wednesday, November 10th of 2021. Would you have known on Wednesday, November 10th, oh, that's the day that I need to sell all my crypto, because right after this day, we are going to see prices of the entire crypto market crash and start moving downwards? Absolutely not. That is why when we start seeing prices start to move higher and higher and higher, we have to take a little bit of profit. Now, that doesn't mean sell off 100% of your position, but also just take a little bit, because the crypto landscape as a whole does look bullish and it is pointing towards prices moving even higher. So if you haven't bought any crypto, what in the world should you do? You should wait for the pullback. You have to keep in mind, even though prices have gone towards the top side, they always have some type of retracement. As you can see right here, we had a massive run towards the upside, but what happened? Prices ended up retracing down. Even looking at when price went from below that $100,000 price range all the way up to hitting the previous all-time high, we saw the retracement. Prices went down, because as prices continue to run higher and higher, people are going to take profit and we're going to see prices retrace and start to move lower, and that is when we buy. My rule of thumb is, especially if you're new to the world of investing and trading, is we buy when prices are red and we sell when prices are green, especially if you're looking for some short-term gains. And now we're seeing a massive shift in the market. We are in alt season. Look at Bitcoin's previous performance in the past 7 days. It's up almost 8%. But look at Ethereum. It is up over 30%. It's outperforming it by over 3x. But what's really interesting, if you look at the crypto projects that are all within the top 20, we can see that ETH is up 30%. But the only crypto project that's actually outperforming ETH is number one, ADA, that's up almost 35%, and then number two, Chainlink, that's up over 46%, meaning we have so much more room for our alts to continue to pump higher. So that's my way of saying, if you are not in the market yet, if you feel like you've missed out, Una Matata, it is okay. There is still some more time and some more gains to be made. Number one, we have multiple crypto project ETF approval. That's happening in a few months from now. That's very bullish. Number two, we have interest rate cuts that's currently priced in at over 90% success rate that the Federal Reserve will be cutting rates. And number three, we're historically reaching a point where crypto naturally booms, and the data shows us within the past 13 years that is just how crypto plays out. We see more liquidity in the market and we start seeing prices run up even higher, and that's exactly what's happening. I'm going to be dropping a video talking about what crypto project that you should have on your watch list and that you should potentially get into. Once I started doing this, it completely skyrocketed my crypto result. I was looking at the crypto project and I was happy, because you might have done a 2x, you might have done a 3x or a 5x. That's great. Show yourself some love, be proud of yourself. But once I started looking at the crypto market and saying, hey, well, I got a 5x, but those cryptos did a 10x, those did a 15x. Why is that? Because you can see that there's some crypto projects that are clearly outperforming others. So it's not just about making money in crypto, but it's about tapping into your full potential to make the most out of what you can out of this bull market, because there's so much money on the table. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I'll be dropping that video soon.